Okay, the balloon art is continuing. No. Here we see Janek attaching some balloons to our beautiful piece. We have turned it around to get some kind of new stuff in it. We've put some balloons and we still have no clue what we're going to use it for.
Okay, I would like to comment about it. These represent the bacteria. So
wait a second, let's take a
on environmental background.
This is a bacteria.
I have one more.
Don't do it.
Okay, it's enough.
Let's start throwing.
Okay, let's start throwing, yeah?
And you throw half, I throw half.
Okay.
We have made some nice colorful bombs. Wait. You don't have to hurry.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yeah.
There's the other color.
We have a yellow, we have a pink, we have a red, and we have a blue.
Yeah, we're gonna make some art, nice art today.
Okay, now we can start.
Yeah, ready?
Yes.
Steady.
Okay.
Go. That was beautiful. Well, let's see how we did. So we did this time yellow, and you can see it's still moving. Janek, are you throwing at me?
And as you can see, it's going on the balloon, and that's exactly the effect we are looking for.
Oh yes. Let's see. It's really hard to see there in the homes.
I do another one when you're standing.
Let's see what Janek can do now. It was red, Janek. Okay, that was. We have to say it later. But you hit exactly the same spot.
Okay, I tried.
That's wonderful.
Okay, that's good, yeah.
Okay, I hit the.
Wow.
Wow, that was a beautiful one. And the balloon really got. The balloon got dirty. I love this. It's getting beautiful. So.
Very good.
Very good. Is it my turn?
No, one more.
Okay.
I take one pink. No, red. Okay, I try one red, yeah?
Yeah, I go a little bit closer to get the idea to the home studios. Yeah. Yeah, I go a little bit far also.
Ah, very good.
Very good, very good. How did it go? Oh, it was a quite small hit.
Yeah, it's small problem.
But yeah, that definitely was good.
Okay.
Okay, you take the camera. I continue.
Okay.
This action.
So now we change, and Juho is gonna throw some balls. We have 4 balls.
We have the yellow now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, there is Juho preparing.
Yeah.
Ball. Yep.
Oh, that was a beautiful shot.
That was beautiful.
He scores.
Let me see what happened actually. Where did it go?
In the middle.
In the middle. Oh, in the middle. Ah, yeah. You can see.
But it's very interesting that the balloons didn't really get the yellow.
Ah, yeah.
For some reason.
That's very strange. But the art is developing very well. Okay. Yeah. Next, please. Oh, did you see that?
That was a blue one.
That was a blue one.
That
Yeah.
really
It went right here. It's really completing, yeah?
Yeah, now it's going to mix with the yellow.
It's not blue, it's pink.
It's pink, yes.
But my comment about this is that Juho is colorblind.
Yeah.
But that doesn't matter.
What can I do, man?
What can you
That's
do, yeah?
fine.
Okay.
Ready for the next one?
Yes. Now yeah. Yeah, that was good. That was very
in
good.
the corner. I didn't plan that one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
But it's really stiff.
It's just completing.
That one is not going anywhere.
Yeah, it's just staying. Yeah, because there was no water.
Yeah. You can see that we made different effects.
I made, actually me and Juho made some of them with water and some of them with no water. That's why this one is really sticking. Okay.
Red,
Yeah.
blue,
Okay.
watery.
Juho is trying to hit this stiff one. Okay, let's see.
I come a little bit closer.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, very good. Very good.
I didn't hit it, but
He hit something else,
it was beautiful.
but it was beautiful. That's Juho's comment. Yeah, here we stop.
So, people, that's it.